Prepare for battle. 10 seconds to battle.
Double kill. Triple kill. First blood.
Your team has slain Roshan. Attack. Retreat. Gather your party. Enemy's turn. An enemy tower is fallen.
You go to the files, you locate where you downloaded the APK, which I will post in the description. You install it, and anyways, after that it will pop up right in your app drawer. So just click yes. I just warn you not to modify this app, so you'll not get in trouble. Okay, so you enter the key Dota 2 MLDD without spaces and click verify and key. So you need internet to do this once it verifies the key, and since I don't have Wi-Fi right now, I'll be right back. I have internet, so I'll click verify and it will go checking, and it will extract data, just wait for it. So after this you can choose to install the announcer pack. You just click install and it will say it's installing. So after this is installed, you can choose to install another one, which is Dota 2 background, or you can finish your aim. So I'm just going to install the Dota 2 background music and install the Jujutsu Kaisen skin, voice pack, which is from Sukuna. So it's for cushion. So you can choose to install that as well. And if you want to clear all the modifications made on this app, like to return it back to normal, you can just reset back right here. So it will just bring back what original Mobile Legends was. So you can choose to finish after this. So whenever you're installing, don't exit the app while it's installing, because it might corrupt your game folder. And if you do happen corrupt your game folder, just restart the app and click reset back. Restart the app and click reset back.